Hey everybody, I'm Brian with Fort Knox Company, and this is the Healthy Ergo Children Desk and Chair that we got for our kids to help homeschool them. I put a link in the description below where you can get this off Amazon. We got the combination with the desk and the light, but there's a couple different combinations, and this was the best price that I found, so you can go ahead and click on the link in the bottom. But you can see right here, right when you open up the box, all the pieces are there for you. It comes with a really good set of instructions. They're written and drawn very well, so I'd highly recommend following them. But in case you want to see how it goes together, I'll show you right here. One thing I noticed first is all the legs to the table and the chairs actually look the same. So the biggest thing is to pay attention to which way the arrows point. Once you assemble the base of the chair, there's 2 bolts that go on the bottom here. It comes with all the hand tools that you need, and then there's 2 screws that go into the bottom of the rails that hold up the seat. And then there's a plastic seat cover that goes on top of that. This seat cover is eventually held by 2 screws underneath. But first you'll have to put this support rail across the front. One chair was a little bit tight and the other one it kind of slid through, so you might be able to assemble this before you actually bolt it to the base. But we were able to push it all the way through. And then once you put that plastic seat back on, it adds a lot of support to the front. That way when your kids sit on the front, the plastic doesn't bend and break. So I like that they had this feature there. Next is to secure that seat to the bottom, and you just do that from underneath with a couple screws. And then you can go ahead and put your back on. It slides over the 2 top rails. Everything in this whole entire kit went together very well, and everything fit perfectly. The back of the seat is actually held on by 2 screws, and there's a couple holes here, so I guess you can adjust it as your kid grows in case you need some support that's a little bit taller. Then we needed to move on to the base of the desk. Again, the feet are the same, and the only real thing you have to assemble here are these 2 slide rails. There's these 2 screws here on the side that you actually put in and just make sure that they slide out towards the front. Then you're gonna put the plastic tray up underneath, and those little screws right there on the side were probably the hardest part of this whole thing. I had to get a very small Phillips screwdriver to actually get those in there. Then you can just flip it right over, and everything's pretty much ready to go. It's really cool that it has this hook on the side for the backpack. It has the bracket right there for the book. It has the desk lamp that has a couple different tones. It's actually a pretty advanced desk lamp because it has different tones like orange or a white light, but the kids love it. It's perfect size for them. The seat is adjustable, the desk is adjustable, it can grow with them, and you can also tilt and angle the desk. But they use it for their toys, they use it for their books. We have their little iPads that we can put on there, and it holds it perfectly on that little book stand. I would highly recommend this, and really good purchase for the homeschooling. They're built pretty well, and there's lots of storage and space for everything. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. A little bit helpful on how to assemble them. These were pretty easy to put together overall. Like I said, the instructions were very good. So if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit the like button on this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I guess I'll see you on the next build.